So over here you can see that I have an image right here, but this image is not very bright. And let's say what I want to do is I want to adjust out its brightness and contrast. And especially when you're new inside of Photoshop Elements, you may want to use guided mode right here, which has different sort of things that you can do. For example, over here there's basics, as you can see, there's color edits right here, as you can see. So there's different type of edits that you can do, and it'll guide you through the before and after right here, as you can see from over here. So I'm going to go around onto the basics, and here you can see that brightness and contrast is an option, and this is what I want to do. So I'm just going to go around and choose this. So once I do that, it'll guide me through the brightness and contrast option. It gives me the brightness and contrast option right here. So you can go around, increase out the brightness right here, and that changes around the brightness of the photo, as you can see. You can also go around, change around the contrast to increase the difference between black and white. If you want to try your luck, you can also go around and try autofix right here, which will adjust the brightness and contrast accordingly as well. So you can just go around and change that out. And when you're happy with the final result, you can click on next, and then you can save it, or you can continue editing in quick or expert mode right here. So I'm just going to go around and say in quick right here, and then you get the regular editing mode again. So that is how you can work around with the guided brightness and contrast option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.